Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In this I'm going to do the default PUBG 1.9 graphics settings comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. And all of these three smartphones, they do have one thing in common, which is a Dimensity 1200. So first phone is the Realme X1 Max device, and second is the Poco F3 GT. As you can see, this is a Poco F3 GT, and third is a OnePlus Nord 2 device. So all of these three phones, they do have the same kind of Dimensity 1200 chipset. And let's see friends, after this latest PUBG Mobile 1.9.0, what is the default graphics you can actually play in all of these three smartphones. Exactly same APK edit installed at this moment, you can clearly see here. So that's what we're going to find out in this video for the demonstration purpose. In case if you want to know more details about other smartphones, so please make sure to check the playlist. I did create the playlist just yesterday. You can actually check all other videos for other smartphones as well. What are the Snapdragon processors actually supported with the 90 FPS? All the information will be available in the playlist. So let's get started with this PUBG mobile right now. So which I did use right now. Let's see what's going to happen. What is the highest graphics you can actually play in individual smartphone? That's what we are going to concentrate in this video. So first let's start with the OnePlus Nord 2 device exactly at this moment. So let's go to the settings option. And let me show you exactly what's happening here. So in the OnePlus Nord 2, we do get the smooth and extreme settings at this moment, and balanced and ultra. So there is no balanced and extreme settings, unfortunately. You can clearly see friends, there is no balanced and extreme. HD and ultra and HDR and ultra. Ultra HD is not supported in this OnePlus Nord 2. You can clearly see friends what's happening here. There's no Ultra HD support in this OnePlus Nord 2 device, unfortunately. That's kind of a sad part. But anyway, let's move to the next phone, which is Poco F3 GT. So this is a Poco F3 GT, which has got same type of Dimensity 1200 chipset. And let's go to the settings option. Let me show you exactly. And as you can clearly see friends, smooth and extreme settings, there is no 90 FPS. Okay, there is no 90 FPS. Balanced and extreme. HD and extreme, HDR and extreme, ultra HD is also supported in the Poco F3 GT. So definitely friends, same thing gonna happen with the Adidas mobile game 1.9 as well, because PUBG and the Adidas mobile game both are exactly kind of same regarding the overall settings. So this is slightly kind of upgrade when compared with the OnePlus Nord 2 in the Poco F3 GT. Now let's take a look at the Realme X1 Max device. Let's see what's happening here. Settings and graphics. And so in the Realme X1 Max, we do know the phone supports 90 FPS. You can clearly see friends, balanced and extreme, HD and extreme, HDR and extreme, Ultra HD is also supported right now. But don't worry, so don't get disappointed if you have these two phones, because this phone also cannot play at 90 FPS. This phone only can play 70 FPS. You can see because the Realme UI restricted the performance of this game. So it's restricted to play only at 70. But if you have the Realme UI 2.0, then you can actually play. In some updates, you can actually play 90 FPS. But right now, after the Realme UI 3.0, you cannot play at 90 FPS, unfortunately. So right now, I'm going to do the quick drop test as well. Let's see how is the quick drop test going to be there. And I'll let you use the real-time floating FPS meter as well, just to let you know, just to monitor what's happening here regarding the FPS. Right now, as you can see friends, we are getting about 59 FPS and 60 FPS exactly maintaining. So CPU and the GPU percentage, you can see how much it's kind of utilizing. 59. The ping value is also pretty high, slightly. So let's do the drop test and we'll try to find out exact in this video. So all the three smartphones, they do have one thing which is really good, which is a floating FPS meter. But in the Poco F3 GT and Mi phones, it's not that organized regarding the floating FPS meter. We'll get this kind of all the texture and everything. But right now in the Realme UI 3.0, in the OnePlus phones, we do have this floating FPS meter, which is very good. That's what I did like in my usage after the recent update, floating FPS meter. So where you can actually track real-time FPS, what's happening here. The lowest we have seen so far is a 55. As you can see friends, how is FPS going on at this moment. Definitely there's some kind of lag at this point, I mean because of the ping value, higher ping value, that's the reason why it's kind of pretty lag. Now let's take a look at the Poco F3 GT. So let's see what's happening with the Poco F3 GT regarding the FPS meter exactly. So in the Poco F3 GT, you are seeing the FPS meter is up to 50 and 60 it's maintaining. The Pochinki drop test. You can see friends, 56 it's maintaining around FPS dropped exactly. So friends, this is a quick comparison between all of these three smartphones regarding the default PUBG 1.9 graphics settings comparison. So definitely you got a clear idea what's going on. Even though all the three smartphones they do have same Dimensity 1200 processor, but still the graphics are kind of different. Like, I mean, optimization is slightly different. Like, it's completely not okay, guys. At least the Snapdragon process they will be kind of pretty similar. But the OnePlus Nord 2 did not even get any update like Ultra HD, nothing at all. But most of the users they will be playing anyway with the, I think, smooth and extreme settings. I think most of the time that's what most of the users will be playing. That's something you should know. And regarding the another features like voice changer, let's check out. It's supported in this game, no issues. And Poco F3 GT voice changer is also supported. You can clearly see friends, voice changer, different voice changers you are getting at this moment exactly. So in the OnePlus Nord 2 is also supported with the voice changers, I think. Let me show you. I think, yes. Yeah, it's supported with the voice changers, no issues. So this is a quick comparison friends between all of these three smartphones overall in my experience. And in case if you want to buy any kind of gaming mobile phone, maybe if you want the gaming triggers, like if you're okay, then go for the Poco F3 GT in case if you're into this kind of gaming trigger thing. So which also works perfectly fine regarding the gaming triggers. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and then stay tuned and bye.